Main fabric, you have to fold it properly in from center and place the farma over it. At small border, you put the back, yoke, and part 1 of front, part 2 of front. Here you can see we have put the sleeve for big border. Now you have to cut it properly as per the farmer. Now cut all part. Sleeve part we are cutting. Now blouse has been cut. Extra patch we have to give of net, so we will cut net as per the pattern. This patch we have to cut. Small neck you have to draw. Marking for keyboard. Neck. Your patch is ready. Like pattern is given in the sketch. Now your cutting part is all done. In part 3 you will able to see stitching part of this blouse.